English step by step, present perfect simple, step 3. So this is the step 3 video in this series about the present perfect simple, so make sure you watch steps 1 and 2 before you try the exercises in this video. So in this video you'll find 2 exercises to practice the present perfect simple. So here's practice exercise 1. Put the verbs in the list on the right into the correct sentences below. So here are the verbs. You can see arrest, be, buy, finish, go, have, lose, think, write. So choose the verbs for the sentences, and you have to decide how to make the structure of the verb. Now, if it has a plus sign here, then this is an affirmative or a positive sentence. If there's a minus sign, this is a negative sentence. Question mark, well, that's obviously a question. And you can see these indications here. The first one is an affirmative sentence. Number 2 is a negative sentence. 3 is a question, etc. So that's practice exercise 1. And here we have practice exercise 2 with different verbs. Forget, go, know, learn, make, open, remember, see, and take. And again, the sentences are either affirmative or negative or questions. So back to practice exercise 1, and I'll leave this on the screen for 1 minute. You can pause the video and write down the answers, and then I'll change to practice exercise 2. You can pause the video, write down the answers, and then when you've finished, you can move on to the next video, which we'll call step 4, and I'll talk about the answers and you can check the answers. Now, just to remind you, in this case, in this practice exercise, number 7 is a passive structure. And there's also a passive structure in practice exercise 2. So remember the rule about the structure of passive sentences. So I'll see you in step 4 video.